How about this little guy? The Huawei electric shaver, 125 grams. Remember we were talking about grams earlier?
Yeah.
150 gram Apple headset.
Apple
Have you
on
ever
your
seen a
head.
shaver that's this size right here? Like this or this shape?
No.
What do you do with that? Well,
What do you do with that?
the electric shaver comes with an all-metal body in a dimension of 121 by 33 by 33 millimeters. It has a delicate appearance with an elegant look and a longer life. An innovative 6-leaf blade is as thin as a cicada wing. What an interesting comparison that is.
Poetic.
That works on ECM precision processing that provides 50% more shaving efficiency. The vertical large aperture offers easily cope. Translation problem. With long and short breads. Major translation issues.
Breads.
Short breads instead of beards and one word. Do you know what short breads are?
Yeah, I love them.
Yeah.
They're delicious.
But you don't want to shave them.
No, you want to just eat them.
Yeah.
Never shave.
Long and short breads. Wow. Dry and wet shaving, I believe that. IPX7. Interesting.
Will you use it? Will you try it?
USB-C fast charging technology, which can charge 100% in just 1 hour and then be used for 1 hour nonstop. I like that. Smart Turbo 6-blade. I don't know that it can deal with my situation with such a small surface area.
Yeah.
Like if I was...
It just explodes.
Yeah, I don't know that it's set up for that. I think it's more for a touch-up or maybe a less coarse situation.
Yeah.
But the shape is actually why I brought it up, because it's just... I mean, you're going to put it in the thumbnail and people are going to wonder even what that is.
Yeah.
You know? So, that's what brought to my attention.